So 1 month being free from addiction, I think is a big deal. Because I quit social media. I quit social media. No, it's actually not so dramatic at all. I quit social media. I just wanted to make this video because a lot of people maybe are wondering. I was posting so much before, and I was always available in all of the platforms, and today I am not. So the deal is that I deleted all of my social media from my phone. So I don't have Facebook or Messenger or Instagram or anything anymore with me when I'm carrying my mobile phone. I kept the accounts because I have a lot of contacts still in there whose phone number I might or might not have, and otherwise I could not post also this video. There is many small reasons why did I quit social media, but one of the major ones is it was consuming a lot of time. I was looking from my analytics in my iPhone, it just shows how much you are spending time in each app, and I kind of got into the habit where I'm watching Instagram stories or TikTok stories, and I'm doing it a lot, so eventually it consumes like 2 hours out of my day, and this is definitely not acceptable. And the time is the only thing what we are not getting back, so why do you use it in social media when actually it does not bring nothing? So actually, like a past couple of years, the social media for me have been kind of a promotional tool only, and I don't really communicate too much with the people in social media. And if somebody is commenting something what I have posted, if I reply, maybe it's happening in 2 months or 3 months, so I know I'm very, very bad at it. And anyways, like it doesn't make any sense for me to be there if I'm not bringing any value. The other big reason, besides the time, is the stuff that people are posting. Oh, I don't know how to tell it, but it's all big bullshit. I don't get it. I don't get why people post what they post, but it's definitely not my cup of tea. Every time when I'm watching some stories and stuff, I feel so down. After doing that, I feel how it is draining my energy, because all of this political bullshit what is coming out, the war news, more political bullshit, and I don't see any point to consume this. And one of my mentors long time ago told me, maybe I read it from a book, maybe it was some mentor of mine who told that when you feel that you're in a wrong environment, like if you're surrounded with the negativity or negative people, then run. So go out of that, and that has been definitely a beautiful thing in my life. But I have followed, and always I feel much better and more energetic and more inspired when I'm doing this kind of move. Past years I have been not really avoiding, but not also being around with the negative people and the naysayers. So if there is some people who are always complaining or always they have some kind of problem, then I am not responding, and I'm not there for this kind of people, and I'm not gonna stay in that environment, because this is also what we can choose ourselves. If we are going to be surrounded by the people, even if it is your mother. I'm not talking about my mother, because my mother is beautiful, positive person, at least today. But there definitely has been times when we are not getting along also, because of maybe that same reason. Not maybe that because of that same reason, but because of that same reason. And if I have been around with some people who became my friends, and if they have had this transition in their life when they become really negative and lost, and they're only complaining, they just want to drink to relieve their problems, then I'm not available also in their anymore. I understand that every person has their stuff that they need to go through, and I have as well. However, if you ever catch me for speaking negative shit or being negative or complaining about something, you should call me up and say that, hey, Kent, this kind of thing cannot happen. And if it doesn't end, then there need to be a separation. And that's what I believe in. So anyway, these are the main reasons why I did that. And I'm still gonna be available in YouTube. I'm still gonna post the videos. I'm still gonna post the content. I have the courses what is coming out. So there is a course about trading for the beginners, how you can create a second income source for yourself. I have already said it before, it is actually ready. It is actually live. I have just not posted it because there is like some small adjustments what I wanted to do. I'm not thinking that it's gonna be perfect after the adjustments, but I want to give out a good quality content. So definitely this, what I have done needs to improve a little bit. And the second course also what is coming out is about network marketing. And full course, how to become successful in network marketing, what to do, how to choose the company, what is leadership, what is demanded from you, how to build in different parts of the world, if you are already involved. And most of the people in their past years have got involved with network marketing, at least in some extent. And I'm gonna also show you how beautiful industry it is, what it has given to me and for my friends, and what it also can give to you. So definitely the courses are going to be live and up. I'm not gonna post it in Facebook, I'm not gonna post it in Instagram or anywhere else. I'm only going to post the content to YouTube, and that's it. That's it. And by the way, even though I have YouTube in my phone, I should actually delete that as well. But I have not been using at all the social part or even watching the stories of YouTube for past month, and it has been extremely relieving. So instead of that, I chose to read books, do the workout, go outside to walk. One of the maybe reasons also, one of the things what I wanted to also achieve is that if I get a lot of free time, that I would feel bored. And somebody said a while ago, I remember, and that if you get into the point where you feel bored, your mind is starting to generate different ideas, and it's gonna open your mind a little bit. So this is definitely what I'm hunting as well. I cannot tell anything from that side if it was actually good yet or not, but this is going to be a process. So it's only 1 month, and I feel that social media is definitely an addiction for majority of the people, and I think it was also addiction for me. So 1 month being free from addiction, I think is a big deal, but it's definitely not the whole journey what needs to be gone through. So when you feel that you want to get some good content, you want to see and get some value, I'm only posting it in YouTube. If you don't have my WhatsApp number and you cannot connect me directly, and I don't respond anywhere else because I don't, then you just can leave a comment into my video, and we are gonna get connected again. Thank you so much for watching. See you already in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.